Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access General Management. Then click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap on Themes after scrolling down, over here. Finally, tap on the best one for you in order to apply it. If you wish to try something else though, go into Play Store instead, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Then get this free app from Google Developer and when it's ready, open it. Finally, choose Enable in Settings, tap on this switcher next to Gboard, and select OK in Attention pop-up. When you're ready, click on the Back button. Now tap on Select Input Method and click on Gboard over here. Lastly, tap on Done and go to Theme section. Now you can scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Then tap on the best one for you, Manage Key Borders, and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back to Gboard app and customize it by tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, click on Done, manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!